Flipkart has acquired the Indian operations of Walmart, which operates the best price cash and carry wholesale stores. It is expected to launch a digital marketplace called Flipkart Wholesale to grow its B2B vertical. DHL is expanding its US footprint of Foreign Trade Zones (FTZ) with a location at Texas Airport. An FTZ allows shippers to defer tariffs or other taxes on shipments as the locations are generally considered outside of the United States for custom purposes. Tech Mahindra, in collaboration with software firm SAP, will soon create a fresh food supply chain management platform called Feeds. It will allow its users to transform the fragmented physical supply chain into the connected digital supply chain, which will help to track and maintain freshness at each stage of the supply process. Reliance Industries' grocery delivery app JioMart, which recently made its debut on Android and Apple digital distribution platform, has crossed 10 lakh downloads on Google Play Store. The company is currently ranked in the third position in the shopping category, just below Amazon and Flipkart. BDP International, a global logistics and transportation solutions firm, has announced the launch of BDP Go, a new self-service platform that will connect users to instant freight quotes and bookings. Direct selling FMCG firm Amway India is looking to invest an additional 100 crores over the next 2 years to fuel its future growth plans in the country. The company is working on boosting its supply chain and home delivery networks to meet customer requirements. Decate Systems Group, a digital logistics solution firm, has recently announced its collaboration with United Parcel Service under its UPS Digital Access program. Decate has enhanced Decate ShipRush to enable small and medium-sized businesses to be able to access discounted UPS rates to reduce domestic and international e-commerce shipping cost. Alibaba Group, a Chinese e-commerce giant, has helped Marina Square, a shopping mall in Singapore, to take more than 30 of its tenants online with Luzda, a Southeast Asian unit of Alibaba Group Holding Limited. The Confederation of Indian Industry (CII) is set to launch an MBA in Supply Chain Management and Logistics in collaboration with MIT University. Through this program, the students will have access to work on live cases, thereby improving employment opportunities. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter.